Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to unlock a disabled Gmail account. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, this helps if Google disabled your account for policy or security reasons. First, it's important to understand why Gmail disables accounts. This can happen due to unusual activity, policy violations, spam behavior, or security concerns. Now open your browser and go to Google's disabled account support page. Sign in using the disabled Gmail address if prompted. On this page, choose the option to submit an appeal. This allows you to request a review of your disabled account. Enter your Gmail address and provide a short explanation. Be honest and clear. Explain that you believe the disablement was a mistake or confirm you'll follow Google's policies. Google may ask you to verify your identity using a recovery email or phone number. Complete the verification to continue the review process. After submitting the appeal, Google will review your request. This usually takes a few hours, but in some cases, it can take a couple of days. If Google approves the appeal, your Gmail account will be restored automatically. If the appeal is denied, Google will send an email explaining the final decision. After regaining access, review Google's policies, change your password, and enable two-step verification. This helps prevent future account issues. And yeah, that's how to unlock a disabled Gmail account in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.